let me do all the work today. Yes, just relax. While I gently clean the scalp or clean your scalp, I want you, or I will tell you, actually, I will tell you a little story. One of my favorite. That sounds exciting. Alright, sit back and relax. Make sure you enjoy the video and you enjoy the story as well. Hear how the stories began. Far away in a quiet little forest, there was a tree, unlike any other tree. It stood right in the center of a clearing, tall and old, with soft, silvery leaves that shimmered even in the moonlight. How does that sound? Something shimmer up to the moonlight. Wow, amazing. But this tree had a secret. It could whisper, not loud words, just soft, leafy murmurs that only the calmest heart could hear it. Do you hear that? Only the calmest heart that can hear the tree. Are we together? Alright. It only whispered to those who sat beneath it when the world felt a little too heavy. Did you hear that? Only when the world felt a little heavy, it whispered to you. Are we together? Alright. So what happened next? Guess what happened next? You guessed it right. One day, a tired, very, very tired traveler found a tree. Are you curious to know? Okay, let me tell you. The tired traveler found the tree. They sat down beneath it, closed their eyes. They closed their eyes when they sat beneath it. They closed their eyes and leaned back against it. Warm bark. The tree noticed their worries and began to whisper. Yes, the tree noticed their worries and began to whisper. Are you curious to know what the tree started to whisper about? Let's continue. If you have enjoyed this video this far, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and follow. For more video, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Alright, let's continue to see what the tree had whispered. Okay, the sound was like wind brushing the soft hair, gentle, slowly, and comforting. It so soft, gentle, and comforting. And the tree spoke, not, not with words. The tree did not say any words, but whispered, but with feelings, not with words, but with feelings. You are safe. How amazing. You are safe. You are seen. You are enough. Did you hear that? The tree whispered that you are safe, you are seen, and you are enough. With every whisper, the traveler felt their worries. Oh my God, they felt their worries peeled away. Imagine you have a worries and it starts to peel off. Isn't that sound like a solution? So the traveler felt like their worries being peeled away, like little fogs of stress drifting off in the breeze. That sounds so relaxing. Do you feel that? Yes, I do too. So what happened next? They sat there for hours, resting, listening, healing, and when they stood up, the world still looked the same. Nothing has changed in the world. The world is the same. But one thing have changed. Guess what? They felt so much lighter. Imagine you came in with the heavy and worrisome heart, and you leave with the lighter heart, free from stress. That's what happened. Isn't it amazing? And guess what the traveler did? My God, the traveler did an amazing thing. He returned to the tree often, sometimes just to sit, sometimes just to listen, and sometimes the tree always welcomed them, whispering gently with its leaves, "Come, rest, come, breathe. You are doing just fine, like now, just like you are now." Guess what? Safe, calm, taken care of. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video. And for now, I would like to say bye to you, and I will see you in the next video. Watch out, don't forget the bell icon right there. So hit the bell icon whenever I upload the video. You will be notified. And remember, I do hairstyle tutorials as well. So if you are a woman there, you are a mom like me, so please visit. And for now,